My elder, Chief Dan Ulasi, appears to have come back to himself. I watched a video now where he was responding to Bola Ahmed Tinubu and where he responded to Shettima, and also where he made allusion to comments made by these men in the APC running for the presidency of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and where he said facts that you and I know. What are the facts? The facts that you and I know is that the person running for the presidency of the Federal Republic of Nigeria under the umbrella of APC has never and is not interested in visiting the Southeast. Neither is he interested in visiting the South-South. Question is, why? Why is it that he wants to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria but has no or zero interest in visiting your region? How is he going to converse for your vote? You know that when Peter Obi, even when he was still in PDP, he went round the 36 states, including FCT. If you take out FCT, that meant 35 states. He didn't go to Adamawa for obvious reasons. Now, juxtapose that to a man who knew that your delegate vote amounted to nothing, that he never needed your vote to be anything he wants to be because he believed that Bullion Van could get him to that place that he wants to be. Again, watching Elder Dan Ulasi or Chief Dan Ulasi, really you begin to know that there is need for us to begin to interrogate these things staring us in the face. Here we have men whom are basically driving the narrative of dividing Nigeria. It is no longer news that we are talking about the Muslim ticket, where today I read one nonsensical crap that somebody wrote saying that it came from, what's it called? The junior minister of labor, that is Kayamo. And in that, it says that it is now right that it is a political calculation that Bola Tinubu picked someone from the, a Muslim from the north, that at the same time, if a northern Christian who is strong enough can also pick a strong Christian from the south, south, and southeast. And as I look at the minister, you say this, it is wrong. If a minister does not know that not everything that is written that you must follow, and not everything you must follow must be written down, where is common sense? We know that in Nigeria today that Christian and Muslims are like 50-50 equity. Now in that context, in the north, you have about, north as a nomenclature bearing the 19 states of the northern geographical region, not the core north. Even in the core north, you know that Christians are about 45 to 55. What it means, you have told the rest of these Christians in there to do one. That is not correct. But again, like I said at the beginning, my elder brother, Chief Ulasi, is coming to his senses, where he is beginning to spew facts the way they ought to be. When Boko Haram started, we knew, and many people saw in the news, the role played by Shettima. One of the Boko Haram, people or commanders that was when he was found in the lodge of Borno state government, and who is in charge of that. If Nigeria is truly a nation that wants things to be done right and questions answered and answered timely, we wouldn't have waited till now for those questions to be answered. When we knew who were those people that released and made sure that Zachary Biu eventually left, and even the same Zachary Biu as we speak is being rumored that he is at large now since the invasion of the Kuje prison. But here we are talking about 2023 without actually addressing these issues. Again, people, on this platform, we must keep bringing you those hard facts and hard truths. I'll let you watch Elder Ulasi now and see the fact that he laid bare.
Tinubu has not visited the Southeast, not in primary, before primary or after that. He's not interested. Instead, his deputy, his vice presidential candidate said that P2B will be an Igbo president, not a Nigerian president. What an utterance for people, somebody to make. He shows you the inner thinking against my people. Why must he say that P2B will be an Igbo president? Why makes that kind of statement public? This is a man who harbored and developed Boko Haram. Boko Haram leaders were caught at the State House of Borno State in Abuja here, and nothing has happened. Nobody has questioned him.
But he has denied that he harbored or he has anything.
But did he deny that the person, that EFCC did not arrest the person in his lodge? He didn't deny that. He didn't deny that. The man, the government, the police in this country arrested the man in his lodge. Did he deny that? When the Boko Haram started, when he was governor in Borno State, he should tell us how it started. Why up to today, it's now a good business in this country. That violence has spread everywhere. What will they use when campaign starts next month to tell Nigerians why we must vote for them? Instead, it's certificate racketeering, from one certificate problem to others.